There is always a debate going on in the industry who are interior designers and who are interior decorators. I have been often asked whether I am a decorator, so let's find the differences. Designer versus decorator. Interior designer generally focuses on the overall design and functionality of a space, whereas interior decorator focuses on the aesthetic and decorative aspects of a space, and sometimes also known to be interior stylish. The scope of interior designer are space planning, design concept, materials, finishes and furnishing. And the scope of decorators are furniture selection, lighting, color scheme, textiles and decorative items. Decoration is one of the vital part of designing. So people always use these two terms interchangeably. Both professions have their own charm. Designers do need a professional certification and decorators may or may not have one. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.